There's nothing quite like stepping into a garden bathed in the warmth of the sun. The air feels alive, the colors seem more vibrant, and your plants, they're soaking it all in. Sunlight is absolutely crucial for a thriving garden. It's like the engine that drives everything. Without it, your plants just wouldn't be the same. Think of it like this. Sunlight is plant food. Just like we need nourishment, plants need sunlight to grow big and strong, but it's not just about size. Sunlight also affects a plant's ability to flower, produce fruits, and fight off pests and diseases. So next time you're out in the garden, take a moment to appreciate the sunshine. It's not just making your day brighter, it's working wonders for your plants too. Let's delve deeper into the magic of sunlight and how it benefits your garden. Now let's get a bit scientific, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. The secret to sunlight's power lies in a process called photosynthesis. It's a big word, but the concept is quite straightforward. Imagine your plants as little food factories. They take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Sunlight acts as the energy source that powers up these factories. The result, plants create their own food in the form of sugars, which they use to grow and thrive. It's truly remarkable. Just think, that beautiful rosebush or that bountiful tomato plant are all thanks to the power of the sun. Without sunlight, photosynthesis wouldn't happen and our gardens would be very bare indeed. Now that we understand the science, let's talk about the benefits. Sunlight doesn't just help plants grow, it makes them healthier and more resilient. Think of it as boosting their immune systems. Plants that get enough sunlight are less susceptible to diseases and pests. They're also better equipped to handle stress like drought or temperature fluctuations. Plus, sunlight helps plants develop strong stems and vibrant foliage. And let's not forget about us gardeners. Sunlight encourages flowering, which means more beautiful blooms to enjoy. It also helps fruits and vegetables ripen to perfection. So more sunshine equals a more productive and enjoyable garden for all. Here's the key. Not all plants need the same amount of sunlight. Some thrive in full sun, while others prefer a bit of shade. That's why it's crucial to understand your plant's needs and position them accordingly. Before you plant anything, observe your garden throughout the day. How many hours of direct sunlight does each area receive? You can then choose plants that are best suited for those conditions. For sun-loving plants like tomatoes and roses, find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. For shade-tolerant plants like ferns and hostas, a spot with dappled sunlight or afternoon shade will do. Remember, observation is key. Pay attention to how your plants respond to the sunlight they're getting. If they're stretching towards the light or looking a bit pale, they might need a sunnier location. By understanding the power of sunlight and working with it, you can create a thriving and beautiful garden that brings you joy for years to come.